Praise Kek, everybody. Today we're doing an unboxing video.
Big man Taro, president of Kekistan.
If we look at Greek mythology, Kek is the deification of the concept of primordial darkness in the ancient Egyptian Ogdoad cosmogony of Hermolophus. Kek is for everyone. Ultra people, mega people, just people. Look at it. I did it. Look at that. It's copper or something. Frog god. Oh, made in China. Look at that. It's a little guy with the... Yeah. Awesome. This handcrafted art pre-production has been meticulously produced to the highest standards of quality materials. Chatelet, praise Kek all day long. The goddess Heket, who is represented in the form of an Egyptian frog or with a frog's head, was worshipped, especially in the town of Hewur, as the female complement of Khnum. Together with other gods, she assisted in fashioning the child in the womb and presided over the birth in her capacity of midwife. Amulets and scarabs worn by women to protect them during childbirth often bear the image of the frog goddess. The life-giving powers of Heket enabled her to be adopted as a benign deity fit to accompany Osiris, in whose temple at Abydos she receives wine from King Seti I and is labeled Mistress of the Two Lands. Wow, it's heavy. Two Stargate gods and Abydos.